The Honorable Judge, President.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning.
You may see, we will start the court hearing now with approval and permission from the judge to begin the case. Defendant, please take your place there. Case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of defendant and plaintiff.
This court is now in session as heard opening statement from the visitor.
Alright, thank you, Your Honor.
You may begin now.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Muhammad Farhan. First of all, this is case of my client, plaintiff, who wants to terminate or dismiss his agent. The principal has revoked the authority of his agent. Plaintiff has sent the letter of revocation to his agent because he wants to terminate and dismiss the authority of his agent. That's all now.
May I?
Yes.
I agree with my lawyer. I, as principal, wants to revoke my agent's authority.
Thank you. Defendant, are you clear about the statement?
Yes, I agree with you.
Please, defendant lawyer, you can start and tell us your statement.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client, Mr. Stacy, is being directed and working for her principal, Mr. Hakim, to sell a DVD player for him as well. She will receive 5% commission from selling of a DVD each. Upon the direction and the deal, principal agrees to give a 5% commission for each DVD sold by his agent. Example of the case in Terpin versus Bilton 8043. In this case, the agent has been instructed by the principal to get insurance for his vessel. However, the agent failed to do so. The vessel lost, and as a result, the principal bears some loss. The court had that the agent was liable for damages when the ship was lost due to his failure to obey the principal's instruction. Thus, the agent liable to pay commission. The letter of revocation sent by the principal without any notice or information toward the revocation of agent authority. Here, defendant wants to get and claim what the principal Mr. Hakim has offered and promised toward his agent. That's all now.
Your Honor, can I speak?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Principal in this case has revoked the authority of his agent. Based on the Malaysian law of contract, an agency can be terminated by the act of either the principal of the agent. This is accordance with Section 154 of the Contract Act 1950, which states that agency is deemed to be terminated when the principal revokes his authority. However, reasonable notice must be given by the party who wishes to revoke. Let me give an example case of Sohrabji versus Oriental Security Assurance for L1946, the case that deals with the termination of agency by notice. The plaintiff, Sohrabji, was an agent of the defendant company for nearly 50 years. He received a notice from the company on 31st March 1944, terminating his agency from 19 June 1944. He sued the company for damage, claiming that the notice was sufficient and unreasonable. The court held that the notice was not adequate to properly terminate the agency relation, which had lasted for almost 50 years. The court considered the nature and extent of the agency, the custom and usage of the trade, the personal relationship between the parties, and the of the case, the court awarded the plaintiff's damages for the loss of commission and goodwill. My client has sent a letter of revocation toward his agent. He wants to revoke and terminate his agent's authority as an agent. According to section 159 and 206, when the principal revokes the authority, he must give reasonable notice of such revocation to the agent. For this case, principal has sent the letter of revocation to revoke agent's authority. That's all now.
Thank you, Mr. Farhan.
Your Honor, let me speak again.
Sure, please.
My client still can get commission from her principal, since agent had not received the letter at the time she sold the DVD player. She was still acting under her authority as an agent. The sale is likely to be considered valid, and principal, Mr. Hakim, may be obligated to pay his agent commission. However, this is a general interpretation. According to section 164, right and duties of an agent obey the principal instruction to make the sale. If agent sells the DVD player for 150 ringgit each before receiving the revocation letter, her action may be considered valid and she may be entitled to be agreed upon the commission. The key factor here is the timing of the revocation and whether agent or plaintiff had notice of it before making the sales. Legal outcome can vary based on specific circumstances and jurisdictions. So, agent deserves to get her commission. That's all. Thank you.
Your Honor, may I speak again?
Yes.
In this case, it depends on the specific legal jurisdiction and the term of the agreement between principal and agent. Generally, when a principal, Mr. Hakim, revokes an agent authority, it may terminate the agent's ability to act on their behalf. However, the effectiveness of the revocation often depends on when it is received and whether an agent or plaintiff had a reasonable opportunity to know about the revocation before completing the sale.
Your Honor,
Yes, please.
based on the rights and duties of a principal towards an agent, principal must pay the commission to the agent. The commission should be paid upon the completion of all contractual duties of an agent. Agent has completed the selling of DVD before the letter of revocation made and arrived on her hands. Agent has done her work as an agent before the letter of revocation is sent and may be by the principal. So, agent should get the commission after she done work. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, lawyers.
We will continue our hearing and court decision at 2 o'clock. You may leave now. Thank you.
Please set court hearing of plaintiff and defendant begin now.
After every statement has been clarified and read by both sides, with my power and responsible to make the decision, the court has decided the decision. Mr. Hakim, who is principal, to his agent to revoke the authority of his agent, while agent wanted to claim her commission. Letter of revocation of agent authority is valid. Principal can terminate and revoke his agent. According to section 159 and 206, principal has sent out the notice of revocation towards his agent. However, the revocation on agent's authority is valid after the letter of revocation of agent's authority is valid. Principal can terminate and revoke his agent. According to section 159 and 206, Principal has sent out the notice of revocation toward his agent. However, the revocation on agent's authority is valid after agents get read and understand the notice. Termination on agent's authority is made. Agent is no longer word or has not power and authority on principal. For agent deserves to claim her commission. Since she works as an agent for the principal, agent's sales would be valid because she has not received the revocation letter at the time of the sales. So, agent can claim the commission based on each DVD sold by her before the letter of revocation received. If agent managed to sell 30 pieces of DVDs, she will get 5% of commission for every each of DVD sold. Decision has been made. Plaintiff must pay the commission to his agent due to total amount of tax. Case closed. Thank you.
Thank you. You may leave the court now.